If you're looking for an easy dessert that's going to impress whoever you feed it to, you just found it. This strawberry poke cake is so good, y'all. My family actually loves this so much that they asked me to bring 3 of these to Thanksgiving dinner this year. So I'm gonna sit back and shut up and let y'all watch the walkthrough of how I make this cake, and all of the ingredients will be listed in the description. So this is the end result, a cake that is not only pretty, but it is so light and moist and just so good. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you want to see more things like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I have way more where this came from.